guys, I want to make my detox drink because this holiday has just been for eating. You guys can see my neck folds are beginning to come back. So I know I've gained a lot of weight. I just don't want to check the scale, but I'm just going to quickly make this detox drink, and if it's good for my body, then I'm going to keep doing it. Making sure I do this at least because I really want to do more detoxing this year. I know I did last year, but I didn't do a lot of it. But if it means doing it every first of the month, every first week of the month, or every first and last week of the month, that's going to be great. So I'm going to be trying this, and I'm going to quickly show you guys my ingredients. So I'm going to be using turmeric. I just bought the grounded one. I don't have strength. And I'm going to be using grounded ginger too. I don't have strength at all. And I have my celery here. This is my celery. This is 1 lemon. And I have my spinach. This spinach is really, really big. I'm sure I'm going to use the rest to make maybe like F4 or something. And I have my apple cider, the mother earth, with mother earth or the mother earth one. So I'm just going to be washing all this, and I'm going to be blending it. Then I'm going to sieve it and pour it into my smoothie bottle over there. And I think I got this inspiration from Abby's Home Kitchen. Yes, I've been talking a lot about her, because trust me, if you give value, if your videos or your content is educating and inspiring, you would always have people following you secretly and openly. So yeah, I've literally been, it's not like I haven't been following her, I don't watch her videos, but lately she's just been inspiring me, and I've been wanting to try things, you know, she makes on her channel, like try to recreate them myself when I can. So let's hope this detox drink is going to work. Let's get to washing. So I think I'm just going to be using one of this because it has like 2 bunch in one, just in case it doesn't work for my body, so I don't waste the entire thing. But I'm hoping it does work for my body. all the turmeric. See where you went to. Okay, so I'm just going to, I think I'm just going to reblend the shaft to get more liquid and add a little more ginger and maybe a little more spinach, because I need to get like a full bottle. I need to get a full bottle so I could be able to track my progress and also my measurement. So I finally got my full bottle of drink. Yay! Let's cover this. I'm going to be putting this in the fridge. So this is the shaft I could get from it, and you can see it's still dripping water. So you can see like some red particles. I had to add red apples, 1 red apple in it. And yeah, I'm going to try to drink this now. As I'm even perceiving it, my tummy feels like it's burning already. So I'm going to try. I'm just trying it because the turmeric has a way of just settling on that. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. I swear this is just tasteless. I could taste the turmeric and ginger, because I told you guys that when I was going to reblend it, I was going to add more turmeric and ginger to it. It's tasteless. I think that's enough. Guys, I'm going to be ending this video here. Whatever it is I'm going to do for the rest of the day, maybe I'm just going to add it to a new vlog for the following week. I'll see you guys in my next one. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.